To get a better always on display for Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, let's open a Google Play Store on our device. Then we can go for a search. In the search, type in Movies Edge. It's this app right here that we want to install. When it's installed, click on the Open. Then make sure to allow any permissions that will pop up. When everything is allowed, go to AOD and select whichever AOD you like. Keep in mind that those one with stars require you to make a purchase. So if you want to go free, just pick the one without the star. In this case, let's go for this one. Then we can apply it. And when it's applied, let's go back and lock our device. And as you can see, here's our always on display. You can even customize them inside the app. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.